Hey everyone! Welcome back to Before Perfume, when perfume replaced bathing. Did you know there was a time in history when perfume was used instead of bathing? Yes, people literally masked their body odor with scented waters, pomanders, and clouds of fragrance. Today, we're diving into the strange and fascinating era when perfume became the substitute for soap and water. Scene 1. The problem with bathing. To understand why perfume replaced bathing, we need to step back to Europe in the Middle Ages and the Renaissance. Believe it or not, people once believed that water was dangerous. Doctors thought that bathing opened the pores and allowed diseases to enter the body. After outbreaks like the Black Death, the fear of water grew even stronger. Bathhouses closed. Public bathing was seen as unhealthy and sometimes even sinful. So, what did people do instead? They turned to fragrance. Scene 2. Perfume to the rescue. When bathing became rare, perfume became essential. Nobles and the wealthy started using perfume to cover up body odor. They carried pomanders, little balls filled with herbs, spices, and scented resins. They believed these strong smells purified the air around them. Not only that, but clothes were heavily scented. People perfumed their gloves, hats, bed sheets, even their wigs. A well-scented person was considered wealthy and fashionable. Perfume shops began to boom, especially in France and Italy. And since soap was expensive, perfume became the go-to hygiene solution. Scene 3. The French court and perfume culture. One of the biggest perfume lovers in history was King Louis XIV of France, also known as the Sun King. His court at Versailles was famous for its beauty, but not for its cleanliness. People rarely bathed, sewage systems were poor, and hygiene standards were low. To deal with the constant smell, Louis XIV required fresh flowers, scented gloves, and herbal waters everywhere. He even had a personal perfumer who created new scents weekly. This era turned France into the perfume capital of the world. Scene 4. The rise of Eau de Cologne. In the 18th century, a new product changed everything: Eau de Cologne. It was light, refreshing, and believed to have medical benefits. People didn't just spray it on their bodies, they drank it, bathed in it, and poured it onto handkerchiefs. Cologne was seen as a way to stay clean without actually washing. Scene 5. Why bathing came back. By the 19th century, science finally caught up. Doctors realized that bathing helped prevent disease instead of causing it. New plumbing systems made access to water easier, and personal hygiene became modernized. Perfume shifted from a hygiene tool to what it is today: a luxury, an art, and a way to express personality. And that's the story of the strange moment in history when perfume replaced bathing. If you enjoyed learning about the weird world of historical hygiene, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment for more fascinating perfume history videos.